happened?
Well, Doyle touched it, and then it stopped working the way it should. And he keeps saying he didn't do it. Well, we don't know exactly what happened. It's kind of a recurring issue. It's pretty frustrating. Ran pretty good for a year and a half, and all of a sudden, about the third time in about a month, where like I said, chain keeps jumping off, and it seems like the motor itself is dropping, which isn't possible because there's set screws on top and bottom. They're all still tight. So, kind of one of those we're trying to figure out why it's doing what it's doing. Laugh about it. It was irritating. Did it move down at all?
What episode is this?
374.4, take 7. We're fixing the end feed chains again. For some reason, with everything being lined up, it still wants to hop the chain. And it drops the motor and gets everything ridiculously tight, so we're trying to solve that problem. Happy, bud?
You got anything to say about this?
It's all bullshit.
Yeah, second.
That's usable.
Yep, yeah. But go ahead and keep resawing. We're down for a while, so. Okay.